Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone so the feature can be changed. First, open Settings and go directly to Notifications or Status Bar, depending on your One UI version. Once there, make sure the phone has recent updates and permitted any network or overlay access. Without that, data indicators may not appear. You're taking the initial actionable steps now, so tap the Status Bar or Notification Settings item, and keep an eye for a data usage or network indicator option to enable next. Now you enable the actual indicator. Scroll to find a setting labeled Show Data Usage, Network Speed, or a similar phrase. Once found, toggle it on. If the menu offers styles, numeric, abbreviated, or detailed, choose the one that fits your preference. Make sure to allow overlay permission when the system requests it because the indicator needs screen overlay rights to appear on the status bar. Once done, the number or speed readout should appear near your signal or battery icon. Finish by verifying the indicator displays during normal use. You should see live upload/download speed or data amount in the status bar. If not, restart the phone and re-enable the toggle after boot. If it still fails, boot into safe mode or try a different user profile to rule out app conflicts, and clear the settings app cache or reset notification settings. If problems persist, update One UI or temporarily disable power-saving features. They can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.